ooh, 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 ooh. And now that we've reached the end, I think of all that's past, of how the time went so fast, and of how I've come to depend upon the faith I feel inside your guiding hands. Say you'll go with me forever, though I know that you can't. Well, I ain't much with words, there's nothing I could say that you ain't heard, but I promise you, each and every day, I hear your voice in every thought that flows through my mind. I'll see your face in every cloud that floats through my sky. And when the world is too much and the hurt's got me down on my knees to pray, I'll hear your voice and you won't be so far away. Do you remember a moonless night with all the sounds for a view? It's funny what an ocean can do. Say you'll go with me wherever, even though I know it's just a dream. Though I know it's unknown, it's something that I gotta do alone. But I swear to you, I will never do anything without your soul inside. I hear your voice, every thought that flows through my mind. I see your face in every cloud that flows through my sky. Someday I'll hold you, ooh, and we will be sailing, and I will never have to say goodbye again. Till then, till that day, I hear your voice in every thought that flows through my mind. I see your face, every cloud that flows through my sky. When the world is too much and the hurt got me down on my knees to pray, I hear your voice and you won't be so far away. I hear